Hello everyone, and welcome to another learning session. Today in our English class we'll be looking at expressing habitual actions. Expressing habitual actions, that is, ways of stating or saying habitual actions. So what are habitual actions? These are those actions or those things that we do every day or every time. Things that we do repeatedly, things that are like routine. They are done every now and then, every day or every time. For example, every day we eat, every day we take our bath, every day we brush our teeth. Okay, so things like that are habitual actions. So in this video, we're going to be looking at ways to express such actions. All right, so let's look at some examples. So here we have, every day I eat. So we are using it now as the habitual action, okay? Every day I eat. Every day we eat. Every day he or she eats. Now, I would like you to take notes. If you see the first eat, we did not add s to it. The second eat for we, so we did not also add s. But then when you see the third one, every day he or she eats, you can say that we added s here. Why? Because when you're talking about yourself, your verb is not supposed to go with s. It shouldn't be singular verb. Okay, you may not really understand what the singular and plural verbs is about, but I will just say it like adding s and not adding s. At least at this level you may be able to understand that. Okay, so if you're talking about yourself, your verb should not have s. Like I eat, I jump, I play, I read, I write. Okay, no s. Then if you're also talking about many people, more than one person, whatever action they do should not also carry s. You can't say they plays. Okay, you say they play, they jump, they eat, they read. Okay, now when you are talking about a single person that is not yourself, okay, you are talking about maybe a boy or a girl, you can say she plays, she jumps, she eats, he writes. So when you're talking about a single person, you need to add s to your verb, the action word. Okay, so that's why we have every day he eats, every day she eats with an s. Okay, and the last example here, every day they eat. Okay, so please just take note of this. We're going to look at some more examples. So some further examples. Here we have the cat, one cat, the cat jumps. So you see we have an s here, the cat jumps. And then the second one says the cats, more than one cat, the cats jump. Okay, one cat jumps, more than one cat jump. Okay, the dog barks, one dog, the dog barks. But more than one dog, you say the dogs bark. Okay, the dog barks, the dogs bark. All right, so let's look at our last set of examples. I go to school every week. I go to school every week. She goes to school every week. Remember I told us earlier, we are talking about yourself. Even though you are one, you cannot use the singular verb. Your verb cannot go with s. Okay, so I go to school every week. She goes to school every week because she's one person. He goes to school every week. Okay? And then they is plural, remember? They go to school every week. Or you can say Sarah and Bosse go to school every week, because instead of they, I'm using actual names now. So once they are more than one, the verb has to be plural verb. You don't add s. They go to school, or Bisi and Bosse go to school every week. And here we have just only one person, and that is Bisi. So you say Bisi goes to school every week. I'm just trying to bring out names so that you also know that whether it's a she or he or it's actual names, as long as it is one person, the verb has to be singular verb, the one that goes with s. He goes to school. He plays football. He watches movies. He loves to sing. But you cannot say of yourself, I love to sing. You say, I love to sing. I watch. I play. Okay? And the same goes with plural. That is more than one person. So I hope we have learned something in this lesson, expressing habitual actions. And I would encourage us to use it as we interact. Okay? Whatever you learn, always try to put it in practice. That is how it becomes a part of you. So if you have learned something, please help us to subscribe to this video if you have not done so already, and also help to give it a like. So we hope to see you again next week. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.